Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Kamal from IKEA Damansara. Today I will be making flapjack using muesli and lingonberry jam from Swedish food market. It is very simple. You can enjoy it together with your guests during Raya. Let's get started.
Preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Line your baking tray with baking paper. And bake 300 grams of muesli for 5 to 10 minutes until slightly brownish. Transfer 150 grams of toasted muesli to a blender and blend until fine. Preheat the oven again until 125 degrees Celsius. Mix in 50 ml of vegetable oil, 200 grams of lingonberry jam, 1 egg white, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 50 ml of honey. Stir in 200 grams of chopped nuts and the roasted muesli. Mix well. Line a new baking tray. Spread the mixture out and flatten until it's compact and about 1 cm thick. Use a dough cutter to cut into square shape. Bake in the oven for about 70 minutes or until the mixture has set and the top is golden brown. Break them into square shape. Keep the flapjacks in airtight container. Enjoy!